Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cosmin and I have to admit that I was a bit sad because I didn't go to the farm next to Switzerland, as I said in the previous video, because I had to take a break, so I wasn't able to do it. But I'm happy and thank you for the 100 subscribers on the YouTube. For me personally is a big achievement, and thank you very much for these guys. And yeah, today we are going to Stuttgart. It's like 4 hours and 10 minutes driving maybe, and 4 hours and 10 minutes back. So let's do this together. And there we go. Yeah, a lot of traffic today. I don't know what's wrong. But look, even here. So the problem is like that. I will explain in a few seconds when I'm gonna stop, because here should be a traffic light up there. Yeah, the situation look like this. All red, everything is red. So I came on this 99, so I was just trying to avoid this long red line, because usually I'm getting to here. Almost all the farms are on that way. So what I've done, I just came here and tried to avoid this traffic here, and I think it's gonna be faster this way, but still long driving ahead. Everyone is out with the car, so I'm waiting here now. And yeah, I think it's more better here, wait for a few minutes rather than just go here on this red line. Yeah, a lot of traffic today, and it's Tuesday. But it is what it is. We can't do anything about it. We can try to find better routes and go there like earlier and don't get stuck in a traffic jam, but not every time is possible. So wait here now. Nice. Why are you going that much right, man? Oh my god. Wait here, left, and then it's not that bad. It's like a usual day in and around Munich. So enjoy the drive. My first colleague on this farm should start loading in about 40 minutes, and I'm the fifth truck, the fifth lorry going there today. So yeah, hopefully everything is good. There's a long queue on this traffic light, but we can't change anything, so we are waiting. Anyways, I think it's better here than this long red line. This is a mess. And after that, looks like everything is okay, but we'll see. Still 3 hours and 11 minutes to drive, and 3 hours and 10 minutes on my card. So yeah, I'm not gonna push it. I will take an early break, relax 45 minutes, and after that I'm just continue for like 10 more minutes to the farm, because on the paper again I should start loading today by 10 o'clock, so from 10 until 11. But it was like that yesterday. I was same, like 4 hours and something driving, but not next to Stuttgart. This is the first time I'm doing this farm. I was on the area where we have a lot of farms, and look at this guy, smart. Why we are waiting? Yeah. So yesterday I supposed to start loading 10 to 11 again, but no, I was earlier than this. I start like 20 minutes, no, 50, quarter past 9, and finish quarter to 10. Yeah, and that was because they haven't got enough turkey for my lorry, so I was the last one. They just fill it up with like 7 kgs or something like that. So yeah, nice job yesterday. I was driving 4 hours and almost 30 minutes because of the traffic jam and everything. I spent a lot of driving time on the card, so I get there with like 1 minute break time. So I'm gonna post the picture right now so you can see it. And I was loading in like half an hour, everything done, because they just fill up with 7 kgs and that's it. So, but today I don't think it's gonna be the case. I think my lorry is gonna be full when I'll finish. So yeah, still on time. Even with this traffic jam, it says I will be there around 8:30, and I supposed to start 10. So that's why I left a little bit early, just to make sure, in case I'm not gonna make it from the first round of 4 hours and 30 minutes, I can take a 45 minutes break, and after that continue for a few more kilometers, and after that, yeah, load and come back. So it's good. It's good. Everyone is coming on the left side, nobody goes on the right. So let's see. Yeah, here is a bit of traffic because from the traffic light everyone is stuck here now. But it's gonna be alright because a lot of people, they will turn left or right, so should be okay. Wait, so still 3 hours and 5 minutes, and now I'm 5 minutes ahead. Perfect, if it stays like that. Yeah, so it says in 3 hours and 5 minutes I will arrive to the destination, and I have 3 hours and 10 minutes on my card, which is cool. Well, hopefully it will stay like that. And I was lucky. I was thinking to get on this route, because if I went on the red line on the main motorway, I'll get stuck for like at least half an hour at least. So good decision. That's perfect. think there's a little bit on going back the motorway over here. It's a yellow now, it was red before, but it depends. Still better than the motorway. Yep. I remember when I was here on this road for the first time, it was when it was raining so bad. So yeah, everything was with dealing with the water and everything. Degrees outside. It may sound that it's not so much, but trust me, it feels like it's 30 plus. And that's it, no more traffic yet. Hopefully stays like that. Hopefully. It's 2 hours and 11 minutes to go. 2 hours 19 minutes on the clock. Be there 8:30, take a nice break, do the paperwork, make the lorry ready for loading, and that's it. I'm curious about the space over there, the parking space, if there's enough space for all the lorries, but anyway, they don't need a space for all of them because, as I said, my first colleague's supposed to start 6 o'clock, 20 past 6. I didn't check the WhatsApp group if he posted something regarding with the starting time, but I will see him when I will get there, as I'm the last driver there. It's nice. It's very good. Nice weather, pretty hot, but it's perfect because here it's not that hot. AC rules. Yeah, I said on the beginning of the video that I was a bit like upset because I didn't go to Switzerland, and yeah, I was like, yeah, it is what it is, but still I want to go on this farm because it's a nice space to record. But maybe we'll get it in the future. Until then, we have farms here next to Stuttgart, next to other bigger cities. gonna rain again like yesterday. Yesterday night when I went back to the depot, it was around 1 o'clock. I couldn't see the lines on the road. It was raining so hard that I couldn't see the lines. It was like, wow. There was a very, very big storm around Munich areas, so I'm curious if this traffic jam that we passed earlier next to Munich is done yet or is still there, but I'm glad I just changed the route and I saved like 10-15 minutes, something like that, which is good. Now focused on the main destination, the final destination. I'm gonna be there soon, 2 hours and 6 minutes. There's a nice view with these trees here, with the nature. That's nice. It's too cold now. Inside the lorry, not outside. Outside is pretty hot, as I said. Stay too close on the right side. It happened. Why I made a noise? Well, went to 91 and after that just 90 back and make the noise for the speed. I've never been here, so but it's so nice. Seems to be so clean and quiet, and you know, like typically German villages, which is amazing for me. I love them, honestly, and all the respect for the people that they keep everything so clean and so tidy. So 1 hour and 14 minutes to the farm. Nice weather, still sunny, so that's good. going to a trip to climb some mountains or something like that. It's a very nice area. I feel like I feel like I'm driving in ETS 2. The video game, it's exactly the same thing. That's so nice. You know, this city and this view, I'm not sure if the camera can catch everything, but this is a nice city and the view was so nice when I entered the city. And this makes me feel better regarding the opportunity that I missed to go next to Switzerland a few days ago. But this one is nice too, so look at these houses. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, so nice. Let's check what the road brings to us. I'm curious because the area is quite beautiful. about the sun. So if I have to drive 1 hour and 5 minutes, that's what's left on this journey to the farm, on this kind of roads and this type of cities or villages, I'll be happy. It's so nice. Young people waiting for the bus. To adjust this to make sure you can catch something on the camera. I'm not sure, but happy I've got this farm today because I like the area so much. Very nice. Prefer to stop rather than force it, so not that late, almost 2:30 and we finish. I supposed to load on the paper by from 10 to 11. It wasn't like we planned, so it's 2:30 in the morning. They took almost 2 hours to load, which is slow, but that it is what it is. That's it. We can't change it.
There's nothing scheduled for 2:30.
We can't change it. So now we have 3 hours and 58 minutes. That's 4 hours to the yard. I'm going to arrive 6:22. Amazing. Yep. It's okay. Nighttime is gonna be quiet on the road. It's perfect. It's all right. Tiny streets over here. So I arrived here at this location at 8:30, and I was waiting until 12. So like 4 hours waiting. Same like my colleagues, except the first one. The first one started loading on the time, but they took 2 hours for the first lorry to load. So yeah, it is what it is. We can't change it. It's okay. And let's go home. Another night on the road. Tiny streets. Cars are parked everywhere. I have to be careful. And I'm fully loaded, so I can feel the lorry that it's heavy. exactly on the limit. I should go on the left, but there's a road that is closed over there, so I can't go there. So I have to go here on the right. Okay guys, so see you as usual with the sunrise, because yeah, we are going to arrive 23 minutes past 6, so the sunrise is gonna be, well, hopefully, if it's not raining. So yeah, let's see that. I'll keep in touch. Past 5 in the morning and 1 more hour to drive to the depot, to the yard. I'm next to Munich. It's a bit cloudy, it's not raining, which is good. And yeah, today I have to go. It's somewhat close to the depot. I think it's like 1 hour and a half driving. It's not that far, and I load a little bit later. Like the first one starts 7 o'clock and I'm the second lorry, so I have to start 8 o'clock, but I have enough time to take a break, at least of 9 hours. So yeah, everything is perfect. Everything is on time, even if I was delayed on the loading time yesterday night. So everything is good. And today I'm gonna record again. It's, as I said, 1 hour and a half, I think. Maximum of 2 hours driving on each way, and that's it. Starts getting busy on the street, because it's the time that everyone is going to work. It's 5:30, so everyone is out at this time. They are going to work, I'm going to sleep at home. Remember last time I have arrived, the last video I have posted, it was around the same time arriving back on the yard, and here on this road it was like exactly what it is now. So you have to join the motorway, and it was busy there was full of cars. On the first lane was full of lorries, and the second one was full of cars. And the cars came from the side. They just had to enjoy the motorway, and it was that busy. I pressed a little bit the brake, so I just tried to. I can't stop to give them priority to go on the road, on the motorway, but I just pressed the brake just to make sure, in case they are thinking they are fast or anything like that, and jump in front of me, I'm prepared. And there have been like 2 or 3 cars waiting to join the motorway, and the fourth one just decided to go, and he just jumped in front of me. And I was like, the lorry brakes automatically because of the sensors. So when this car just jumped in front of me, I was like, wow, that's not good at all. It's not okay to do this. It's better to just wait there. You save like few seconds, and it's not worth it. So that was the experience, but I didn't say anything on the previous video because I just forgot about it. But now I don't think it's that busy like the last time. But yeah, you have to be careful. You know, if you're a driver, all these situations you can face these type of situations every day, so you are getting used to this. It's not like, yeah, it happens every time. So you have to prepare yourself and to think in advance and to think for the other people, not just for yourself. Because I'm driving now, there's no one around except this car is coming, but no, you have to think about everything around you. So but nothing happened. I got like kind of surprised that he just jumped, being the 3rd or the 4th car waiting to join the motorway. He just jumped in front of me. I was like, yeah, but nothing happened. That's the best thing. That's the most important thing, that everyone is okay. We all do mistakes, so I'm not perfect. I don't think someone is perfect. All of us drivers, small car drivers, lorry drivers, we all do mistakes, but we just need to learn from it and yeah, try to be as good as possible and to pay attention on the road and everything around us. Kilometers/hour speed limit because of the work. The work on the street, on the motorway. They're doing some very big road works here around Munich, as I said in the previous videos. Getting busier. because at this time a lot of drivers, they, you know, the drivers that they sleep in the car parks and stuff like that, they start moving. So especially around the bigger cities, you'll see a lot of traffic. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end up the video here, and I have to say thank you again for the 100 subscribers. At the moment I think there are a little bit more than 100, but still thank you very much for your support, and until the next video, take care of yourselves and be safe on the road, guys.